Hello student, with the help of this set square, we see how to draw a altitude of a triangle. Today we see the how to draw medians of a triangle. Medians of a triangle. मेडियनला मराठीमध्ये म्हणतात मध्यगा. Median of a triangle. We see how to draw median of a triangle. The segment joining the vertex and midpoint of the opposite side of a is called median of a triangle. Median of a triangle. So first we read carefully this definition. Median of a triangle, the segment joining the vertex म्हणजे शिरोबिंदू and midpoint of the opposite side is called as median of a triangle. मी थोडक्यात तुम्हाला सांगते. Suppose this is a triangle A, B, C. The A is vertex, B is the vertex. The on the opposite side of the A vertex is BC. Opposite side of the vertex A is BC. The vertex here, vertex B, opposite side is AC. Here vertex C, opposite side is AB. So suppose this is a midpoint of the AC. So B joined to the P. BP is the median of a triangle. BP is the median of a triangle. Suppose this is the C point, opposite side is AB. Here suppose this is the median middle point of the side AB, then A, this QC is the median of this triangle. Then we see the point vertex A opposite side is BC. The middle point of the BC is R. Then when we join AR is the median of this triangle. In this way, we draw a three medians Q, C, P, B, R, A. The triangle has three median. Median म्हणजे मध्यगा. So these are medians of a triangle. These are the medians of the triangle, and this is the point of concurrence. This is the G is the point G. आता सगळ्या मध्यगा ज्या पॉइंट मध्ये मिळतात तो पॉइंट G. G is the point of concurrence. G is point of concurrence. G is the point of concurrence and it is called as centroid. म्हणजे सर्व मध्यगा ज्या पॉइंट मध्ये मिळतात त्याला काय म्हटलेलं आहे? सेंट्रॉइड. G is the point of concurrence of the medians and this is called as centroid of the triangle. In this way, with the help of rough figure, we see the median of the triangle. Actually, we draw the median of the triangle with the help of the circle and with the help of this scale, and this is with the help of this compass we draw the median of a triangle. Hello student, with the help of this scale and with the help of the compass, how to draw a median of a triangle. Construction of a median of a triangle. So we take any triangle. We take triangle A, B, C. We draw the median of a triangle. Before construction, we see some points. For construction of the median of a triangle, first we find the midpoint of this side. First we find the midpoint of this side. Then we draw the perpendicular on each side. In 7th standard, we see how to draw a perpendicular on a side. So, on the both sides, we draw a perpendicular and find out the midpoint of this side. So, with the help of the compass, we draw a perpendicular from BC. Again, without changing distance, we make an arc. Then, without changing distance, we take arc on this side. In this way, we got a median. We got a median of BC. This point is the R is the point of midpoint of the BC. In this way, with the help of this compass, we find the midpoint of the side BC. Same procedure, we find the midpoint of AB. Take distance more than half in compass. Take distance more than half in compass. Then, without changing distance, make an arc. In this way, we find the midpoint. In this way, we find the midpoint of the AB. And third one, we find here name this point P, and next to this we find the midpoint of AC. Without changing the distance, we make an arc. Then again take the compass on that point. Take this distance in compass, and this is the arc. So we got the point here. We got the point here. Then we join both this point. In this way, we got the point Q is the midpoint. In this way, we got the 3 midpoints. Then we join the BQ. Then we join this midpoint BQ. Then join CP. Then join AR. In this way, we join both the points. AR, BQ, PQ and BC and BC. We join both these points, and this point is denoted by G. This point is denoted by G. When three medians meet at a point, at the point G, and G is called centroid. G is called as centroid. When the three medians join in the point G, then this point is called as centroid. In this way, we construct the median of the triangle. In this way, we construct the medians of the different triangle. So, medians of a triangle are concurrent. The point of the concurrence is called as centroid, and it is denoted by letter G. For all types of the triangles, the location of the G is interior of the triangle. म्हणजे सगळ्या ट्रायंगल्सचा पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्करन्स हा इंटेरियर साइडला असतो. द सेंट्रॉइड डिवाइड्स ईच मीडियन इंटू रेशो 2:1. प्रत्येक सेंट्रॉइडमुळे ह्या सेगमेंटचं 2:1 या भागामध्ये डिवायडेशन झालेलं असतं. दिस इज 2:1 proportion is useful for solving examples. Thank you. Then we solve the example in practice set 4.1. In triangle LMN, dash dash is an altitude, and dash dash is an median. Write the names with appropriate segments. Write the name with appropriate segment. Appropriate segment. We draw a figure. This is a triangle. Triangle L M N X Y. Here altitude is the LX. Here in this figure, observe this figure. Here a right angle triangle. With the help of this set square, we draw an altitude. The altitude is a right angle triangle. So LX is the altitude. LMN LX. LX is the altitude, and LY is an medium. Y is the midpoint of the triangle. So LY is the median, because the vertex is L and opposite side of the vertex is MN, and this Y is the midpoint. So LY is the median of this triangle. In this way, While teaching, we draw an acute angle PQR and draw its altitude. This second example is already we solved while teaching. Then in this way we draw different medians and altitudes. We draw different medians and altitudes. One more thing is draw the different example in practice set 4.1. Remaining some examples are solved in practice set 4.1. Thank you.